Mother Nature is divine. It gives us a lot and never demand anything from us. It takes care of us like a small kid. Love us, pamper us, become happy when we are happy, and get sad when we are down. Mother Nature is none other than but a real mother. Same as a woman, she is a mother, a divine power who has the mode of take care of her family, society, and the entire world. In the sequence of Iron Lady episodes, let's see some of the Iron Ladies who are working in fields. Let us take you the farms and fields of West Bengal. It is the winter season and the entire field is full of greenery. Green, the color of life. Renewal, nature, and energy is associated with meanings of growth, harmony, freshness, safety, fertility, and environment. So, our female power is also the same, synonymous to power, fertility, energy, growth, ambition, and moreover, it's the color of our Mother Nature. They are all uneducated, but they have far knowledge of their field. The paddy, how to grow, bees, and take care of the birds. Love to see them working hard the entire day with full passion and enthusiasm.
আমার নাম পুষ্প সরকার। কিছু হবে আর কি, ফলন বিঘাতে 10-15 কুইন্টাল করে আসতেছে। আমার সাথে পাড়া প্রতিবেশী আছে, হ্যাঁ মহিলারা আছে। এই ফসলে আমাদের সংসার চলে আর কি। বছরে এখন মটরশুঁটি করছি, আলু করছি, এরপরে বাদাম করব, তারপরে ধান করব, এটুকুই আর কি।
They are real form of Mother Nature, Mother Earth.